Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB. We're actually going to use a pen drive. We can use an external hard drive or anything USB, but with this tutorial I'm going to use a USB pen drive. So we are going to make it bootable, and to make bootable you need three things. We're just going to go through 5 easy steps. So you need 3 things. You need your USB drive, you need power ISO, and you need your Windows image or operating system image. It can be Ubuntu, it can be Linux, it can be Windows, it can be Android, or whatever you want to, like whatever operating system you want to install. So with this, let's get into it. So you open your power ISO. Power ISO is actually free, and you can get it paid too. Like you can get a paid version too. So you get your power ISO and you run it as administrator. Go to yes, run it as administrator. So since I haven't actually paid for my version, I have to wait for a while till this one counts down. So yeah, continue. So I have already inserted my USB pen drive, but make sure your USB is quite bigger than your OS. So which means if your OS size is 4 gig, your USB must be 8 gig or higher than 4 gig. You get me? So you go to tools, then you go to create bootable USB drive. Then right here you select your destination where you want to install the USB you want to install the Windows on. You want to make bootable. Yeah, so I've selected my USB, and over here you select your image file, which means the Windows, like your OS, your Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, whatever you want to install. So you click on the folder, then you search for your operating system. So this is my operating system. I'll be adding links to getting operating systems below, so you can check it out and download an operating system. So you go to start. Well, before you go to start, make sure you don't have valuable stuff on your pen drive, because everything is going to be deleted, like it's going to be formatted. So when you go to immediately click on start, your pen drive will be formatted. So make sure your USB is safe and you don't have any important files on it. So you go to start, then okay, so you wait till finishing. So I'm going to skip this part of the installation because it's going to take a lot of time. So yeah. Okay, so now the USB bootable is done. So my pen drive is now a bootable pen drive. So we can actually check and see whether the pen drive is actually a bootable pen drive now. So go to OK and close this one. You can close the power ISO. So you go to the pen drive and check. So now our pen drive is officially a bootable pen drive. So yeah, the Windows files and everything is inside. So yeah, thank you for watching my YouTube video. You can share it to your friends and your colleagues who wants to know about bootable pen drives.